Hi everyone, I've just come to share with you another journal, and this is another Christmas journal that I've made, and I'm still using the old Christmas journal kit from ARTYmaze, and ARTYmaze will be linked below, because I'd printed out quite a few pages from that kit, and I kind of split it up into, you know, a few journals, because sometimes for me it's too much to put everything in one signature journal. If I was doing a 2 or a 3 or a 4 signature, I would probably just use the whole kit anyway. So because I'd done that, I managed to make 2. There was one yesterday and this one today. So this is the cover, and I chose this kind of green, I'd say, like it's a jadey coloured cardstock, and it's got a little kind of bit of a floral thing going on, and again that's been sewn onto coffee dyed cardstock, so it's a nice thick cover. The image is from the kit. I stamped Merry and Bright. It measures 8 1/4 by 4 1/2, so it's a traveller's notebook size. There is one signature, and this one has 100 pages front and back. It will be listed in my shop if you're interested, and that will be linked below as well. I've just created a knot here, as you do. So it has eyelets and string as a closure. Like I said, the inside cover is coffee dyed cardstock, and making sure I'm in frame, and all the main pages are from ARTYmaze. Here we have a Terri Woods style flip out page, and I found these red doilies in my stash, and when I opened them they were really stuck together, so I struggled to separate them, and I kind of wasted a few. Well, I haven't wasted them, I could use some parts of them, but it was kind of, they just weren't separating well at all, which is a shame because I haven't used them before and I thought they would be ideal for Christmas journals. So the ticket on here is from ARTYmaze as well. Got a big jumbo tag here. This tag is from the kit, and it's been sewn onto coffee dyed cardstock, no, coffee dyed paper, sorry, and same here. And then we just have this little tag which has got some stenciling on it. The doily, I love this doily, I love the pattern on that with the tea or the coffee. Some corner punching, paper bag. This Things to Do is from Tsunami Rose, and this, I can't remember who that's from, but it's Christmas digital music paper, and you can find it on Etsy. Here we have another tag, and then I made, because I'd made quite a lot of these yesterday, the Edith Holden book pages, and I just made envelopes. Didn't decorate them because they are like the holly leaves and the berries, so don't want to cover that up. And that goes on there, but you can tuck something inside them and then just pop it back on. There is tabs, lined paper. Here I've just done my little pocket. I put a journaling card in there. This die cut piece is from Tsunami Rose as well, and we have this. Just a little flip up. And what I had to do with this, because I wasn't paying attention, I was actually on the phone to my aunt when I was doing these, and I glued them completely down, the tabs, so then I wasn't able to tuck that up inside there, so there's 2 tabs on there. So I just kind of went over the other tab so that I could tuck that in there. This is a telegram. This is from ARTYmaze. A doily, some corner punching, another page from ARTYmaze. Here we have a Rita Donnelly flip, again with the red doily and the little banner, which is from ARTYmaze. We have the tag that has been stenciled, coffee dyed and stenciled. This again is from ARTYmaze. I think everything is actually from ARTYmaze. The music paper, I just folded that up so you could do some journaling on that. Another tag from the kit, and then just another little tag. Trying to use up them little end pieces of cardstock, so I'm just making little tags with them. Tsunami Rose, some Christmas digital music paper, little tag on here. This is from the old design shop. Here we just have triple fold out so you can journal on there, and just a vintage piece of ephemera from the kit. And it's all been backed onto tea or coffee dyed cardstock, centre of the signature. I had to go at something else today as well. It's like, you know, you're in the middle of a project and you watch a video and you've got, I got to try that. So it was Gina, who is Firefly Studio 67. She had made the little clutch bag from the lunch bags. So I'll show you that at the end of here. I haven't even sewn it all together, but I just liked I like the idea of that, so I'm going to make a little journal to pop in that. I might do that tomorrow, who knows, because I'm doing all my beginners journals, not beginners journals, well, beginners, yeah, tutorials for making journals for the swap that I'm going to be hosting. So I'm going to wait until I've done them all and upload them all at once and put them on a playlist, so that you're not sitting waiting for part 2 and part 3, because I like to keep my videos like the 15 minutes and do them in sections like that. So I'm going to do that, get all that done. Hopefully I've got a few more to do and then that should be complete, and I will put that on a playlist, and then it will be linked on the swap as well for the beginners. Just got to try and keep it simple and remember that not to go OTT with things. Another Edith Holden. Kind of going back to basics basically, just for this swap. And if I do something that I think others may not have, you know, tools, or you know, I will try and find an alternative or make it easier. So we have that big tag and some more music paper. I actually think my journals are quite simple anyway, in comparison to some of the others that are out there. A doily and a ticket, and as you know, sorry, too busy talking about something else, and that's a Terri Woods flip, a double pocket flip. Yeah, my brain's been working overtime the last few days. I'll just put that in there, and that is the back page. So this will be listed in my shop, and I'm just going to quickly show you. Where is it? Oh, it's right in front of me. I knew I moved it. So this is what I've done so far with it, and I've stitched along here. I haven't stitched anywhere else yet, but that's going to, oh, stitched along there. But instead of doing the collage, I've just used some digital paper from My Porch Prints, because I'm going to, I don't know whether to do a journal or just stuff this with embellishments, and then I'll sew all along there and round the back. I may have to do round the back first and then up the sides, I think. So yeah, that was fun. So if you haven't seen that, go over to Gina's channel and she shows you how to do it. My bag wasn't as big as hers, as wide when you open it out, because I wouldn't be able to fit that in there, for example. So I'd have to make a smaller journal to go in there. But yeah, that was great fun. It's a nice little project, and you can kind of collage it as you like. So that's the journal. If you have any questions, just ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.